You get knocked down, but you gotta get up.
Hey, we're Cargo. Cargo connects compelling brands to small businesses to drive profitability. With our team of small business experts, strategists, creators, producers, and developers. Why? Because small business is a big opportunity. They need technology, commercial transportation and equipment, financial services, manufacturing and distribution. And our expertise can make your brand small business's first choice. By motivating your customers, dealers, sales teams, and distributors through global marketing that pinpoints the right strategy and tells the right story, sparking imagination, feeling, and action to deliver measurable, meaningful, and relevant results. Let's make small business your biggest customer.
We ain't going nowhere. We'll be standing right here until the end of time.